Alright, so customer complaint, refrigerator's not cooling. It sounded like I heard the start relay click. 74 in the freezer. 70 in the fridge. Alright, so we took the back off, but like I'm hearing the start relay. So more than likely we're gonna have the bad start relay. But the fan is running, but I can hear the relay clicking in here. So let's go check out that relay. Alright, so I think we got a bad start relay. I hear something rattling in there right now, but I'm about to ohm out these to see what numbers we getting on this compressor. But I heard this clicking a lot. Alright, so I just ohmed it out. The two bottom pins gave me 12. The bottom left to the top gave me 6. The bottom right to the top gave me 6. So the compressor ohmed out good. It's not shorted out. So we're going to go with a bad start relay. Alright, so this is the new start relay right here. And we're about to put it on this compressor. I already took the old one off. And we're going to see if we can bring this one back to life as well. Just a basic Frigidaire refrigerator. Alright, so we got the new one on. Now it's time for the moment of truth. Let's plug it up and see. And it's alive. It's on. Compressor's definitely running. So, another great appliance repair.